Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techwithdeepak. Today we will review about Mercedes-Benz GLS luxury family car. Mercedes-Benz GLS price. The SUV is priced between 1.04 rupees crore and 2.43 rupees crore ex showroom. Mercedes-Benz GLS variants. It is available in 3 variants: GLS 400D 4MATIC, 454 MATIC, and Maybach GLS 600 4MATIC. Mercedes-Benz GLS seating capacity. While the standard GLS can seat up to 7 people, the Maybach GLS can seat 5. Mercedes-Benz GLS powertrains. The 3rd Gen GLS is provided with both petrol and diesel engines. The GLS 400D 4MATIC is powered by a 3.0-liter diesel engine, 330 PS/700 Nm, while the GLS 450 comes with a 3.0-liter petrol motor, 367 PS/500 Nm, with mild hybrid technology. It produces an additional 22 PS and 250 Nm boost under hard acceleration. Both variants are all-wheel drives and come paired with a 9-speed AT. The Maybach GLS variant gets a 4.0-liter V8 biturbo petrol engine, 557 PS/730 Nm, with a 48V mild hybrid tech. This one too generates an additional 22 PS and 250 Nm under hard acceleration. This unit comes paired with a 9-speed AT and gets an all-wheel drivetrain. Mercedes-Benz GLS features. It gets 5-zone climate control, front and rear wireless charging, 64-color ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a Burmester surround sound system. It also gets 2 12.3-inch connected screens, where one is the digital instrument cluster and the other is for Mercedes's MBUX infotainment system. The Maybach variant's features include 2 individual seats in the second row, reclinable up to 43.5 degrees, an in-car fridge with champagne glasses, and optional 11.6-inch rear entertainment screens. Mercedes-Benz GLS safety. Safety features include up to 9 airbags, ABS with EBD, front and rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. Mercedes-Benz GLS rivals. While the standard GLS takes on the BMW X7, the Maybach GLS goes up against the Bentley Bentayga and Rolls-Royce Cullinan in India. Specification of Mercedes-Benz GLS. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement 3,982 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 8. Max power 549.81 bhp 6000-6500 rpm. Max torque 730 Nm at 2500-4500 rpm. Seating capacity 4. Transmission type automatic. Fuel tank capacity 90 liters. Body type SUV. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.